One of the most fascinating and magical cultural events in Asia is the Pingxi Sky Lantern Festival in Taiwan. I chose to describe this festival because it is a truly unforgettable experience that combines ancient tradition with stunning beauty. During this event, thousands of colorful, glowing lanterns are released into the night sky. It is interesting because it creates a spectacular and almost surreal atmosphere. It takes place in the charming town of Pingxi, surrounded by large green mountains. Mm, People from all over the world gather here to write their wishes on lanterns, hoping they will fly toward the heavens. The, the sight is incredibly moving and deeply symbolic. What makes it so special is not only the visual beauty, but also the agreeable feeling of collective hope and joy. It is a wonderfully emotional, highly unique celebration that reflects the spirit of Taiwanese culture in a very powerful way. Thanks.